Hi, first grade. We are going to continue moving through our skills with vowel teams, and we're going to learn a new vowel team today and talk about a vowel pattern that we haven't learned about yet. So our target is I can read words with vowel patterns IE and IGH. So when we come across a word that ends in an IE or contains IE, we treat it like a regular vowel team. And remember, our little rule is when two vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. So we read IE as I. So if we look at this word and sound it out according to what we know about vowel teams, we sound it out as T, I, tie. Same with this down here. V, I, vi. P, I, pie. L, I, lie. Okay, so it's just like a classic vowel team. The other chunk of letters that make one sound that we're going to talk about today are IGH. These can come at the end of a word or be squished in the middle of the word. We like to call IGH a vowel pattern or a vowel team, and we still think of the I as the captain. So this is a little group, right? And I is the captain of the group, and the captain does all the talking. So even though we have three letters here, the only sound that all three of these letters make together is I. So think of I and IGH as the captain, and he's going to do all the talking for the team. So when we come across a word like this, and we see IGH in the middle, we know that we read that as an I. So we read this word, right, right. Same with this word, bright, bright, or might, might. So our focus this week is words that contain IE and words that contain IGH. So let's get a little practice with sorting these words out, and then we're going to do a chaining activity. So the first group that we're going to talk about are words that end in IE. So I might do something like pie, p, I. Now it's easy to read it, but you have to remember that in order for that vowel to say its name, it needs the other vowel next to it. Otherwise, you create a short I and your word is p, which is not the same as pie. So other words that follow that IE pattern, pie, t, I, l, I, d, I, die. And let's talk some more about those IGH words. So IGH, remember, can come in the middle of a word or it can come at the end of a word. It can come at the end of the word, like in the word high. I, we spell I, H-I-G-H. And this means high like really tall, not high like you're saying hello to a friend. You could also see IGH at the end of the word sigh, S-I. So remember that these GHs are a part of this team, and you need all three letters in order for the captain I to say its name. You could have IGH in the middle of a word, like night, N-I-T, or slight, sl-I-T. So again, we only hear one sound, but it's made up of three letters. All right, for this activity, I want you to grab a piece of paper or a whiteboard. We're going to do some chaining together. So we're going to start off with an original word like lie. And I'm going to ask you to change the beginning sound of each of the new words that I give you. So the beginning sound in the word lie is L. If we change the beginning sound in lie to P, we get a new word. P-I, pie. So our new beginning sound is P If we change the beginning sound in pie to t, we change it from p to t. Write down the word that we get. We get the word I. If we change the beginning sound of tie, t, to d, write down the new word we get. We get d, I. All right, we're going to move on to IGH. So we're going to start with the word sight. I, t. I want you to change the beginning sound of sight. Change the s to burr and write down your new word. Change s to burr. Our new word is bright. Change the beginning sound of bright to full. And write down the new word. If we change burr to full, our new word is flight. All right, let's try one where we change the beginning sound and the ending sound. So our new beginning sound is like thumb. The digraph that says like thumb. And our ending sound is I. So we're spelling the word thigh. So again, think about the digraph that says like thumb. And your ending sound is I. So we know that TH says and when we're spelling the word thigh, we know IGH makes the sound I. All right, first grade. So we've worked on some words that end in IE, and remember that we read those as an I. We worked on words that contain or end in IGH, and we also read those letters as the sound I. We did some chaining activities, and now it's your turn to show me what you know about IE and IGH words. So your job is to upload 3 sentences using IE words and 3 sentences using IGH words. So I have some examples. I took the word pie, P-I, that ends in IE, and I wrote a complete sentence. I like to bake apple pie. I took the word might that contains IGH, might, and I wrote a complete sentence that says, I might make spaghetti for dinner. So your job, 3 sentences of IE words, 3 sentences using IGH words. Don't forget the big 6 crew, especially punctuation. I'm noticing on a lot of our submissions that we're forgetting the ending punctuation. All right, go ahead and snap a picture once you have your sentences done and upload it to Dojo.